Credit cards aren't evil, but how most people use them absolutely is. Used right, they're cheat codes for free travel, cashback, better credit, even business tools. Used wrong, they're financial landmines. In this video, I'll show you how to flip your credit cards into weapons for wealth, not traps for debt. Most people get this wrong. I'm going to make sure you don't. If you've ever felt like you're stuck in the credit game, this is your reset button. Let's clear something up. Credit cards don't cause debt. People do. Saying credit cards are bad is like blaming your oven for burning dinner. It's a tool. It just needs the right recipe. When used smartly, they build your credit score, give you rewards for spending, unlock better loan terms, even better job opportunities in some cases. But when used poorly, interest compounds like wildfire, fees stack up, and you become a slave to minimum payments. So why do so many people fall into the trap? It's because they don't understand the system. The banks are playing chess. Most people are playing hungry hippos. If you only take away one thing today, let it be this. Credit works for you when you follow these 3 rules. Rule number 1, pay your balance in full, not just the minimum, not just most of it. If your card says you owe $1,000, pay $1,000. That's how you avoid interest and build a perfect payment history. Rule number 2, keep your utilization under 30%. This means if your credit limit is $10,000, try not to use more than $3,000 at any time. Want to max out your credit score? Keep it under 10%. Rule number 3, automate your payments. One missed payment can tank your score for years. Set your cards to auto-pay the full balance from your bank. No stress, no surprises, and your score climbs on autopilot. These 3 habits? They separate the broke from the builders. Now we get into the fun part. Getting paid to use credit cards. There are cards that pay you 2% cash back on everything. Some give you 5x points in certain categories. Others give you perks like free hotel stays, first-class upgrades, airport lounge access, even cell phone insurance. Here's what most people miss. These points are real money. Savvy users redeem them for flights they'd otherwise pay for, hotel stays for business trips or content creation, business tools like Canva, Zoom, or AI tools, all free. If you spend money anyway, why not earn while doing it? This is where we level up. Don't apply for 5 cards at once. That's a red flag to banks. Instead, space new applications 3 to 6 months apart. Let your score rise between moves. Structure your cards like this. 1 for gas, maybe 5% back. 1 for groceries, 3% back. 1 for recurring bills. Set them on autopay. Use them only for what you were already buying. Then, watch your score climb as your credit history deepens and utilization stays low. This approach shows banks you're reliable, responsible, and smart with credit, and they'll reward you with higher limits, better offers, and elite perks. Let's get serious. The wealthy don't just use credit for rewards. They use it to scale income. How? Use cashback and points to cover. Canva Pro or AI tools for digital content. Ad campaigns for YouTube, Etsy, or your small business travel expenses for shoots, client meetings, or networking. Some even use 0% intro APR cards to launch a dropshipping store, buy camera gear, cover startup costs. Of course, this requires discipline, but it's a real path to turning credit into capital. Credit becomes a lever, not a life sentence. Most people treat credit cards like free money, but the wealthy, they treat them like business tools. Use them wisely and they'll build your score, pay you back, fund your income streams. Want me to break down the top cards for cashback or travel next? Drop it in the comments. And hit subscribe. New money hacks drop weekly and I'm not holding anything back.